Alright, hey everybody, right hand twist here. I'm here to do a little unboxing video. Pardon the way I look and talk, I had dental procedures this morning, so I got some gauze and shit in my face all over here. But anyway, I ordered a new set of saddlebags, the Tusk Traverse rackless pannier bag system. It's a small dual sport saddlebag system. They're new, fairly new anyway. They're kind of small. They're not for like great big trips or anything, but they look pretty well made. And for the price point, they were $100. I mean, you can't beat that. I ordered them through Amazon. Brand new unboxing. I haven't even taken out the bag yet. They're kind of heavy. Well, not heavy, but that box to the side. Actually, I'll turn that box over and use it as a table. So, out of here. But I plan on doing a couple trips. I was planning on doing what we call the Smoky Mountain 500. I was planning on doing that here in a couple weeks, but I may have to reschedule that. But let's see what we got here. Let's turn this box over to the tabletop. There we go. They are definitely small. This is the Tusk Traverse pannier bags. They claim to be 16 liters, I think, 8 liters per side. They are definitely small. They're sturdy as shit, I'll tell you that much. I mean, they're super sturdy on the backside of them. Almost like too much, a little bit. I don't know. But they got compression straps on the side. There's a side pocket here. I can open the damn thing. Okay, put your keys, phone, not the phone, but some keys, maybe a wallet, close, easy access, a flashlight or something, a couple snacks in there. Let's open up the main compartment. Okay, it's got a waterproof or very well made water resistant zipper there. I wish some of the straps hardware was a little better. Some thin, kind of thin plastic, regular old plastic buckle straps. Let's get it all the way open here. Let's see. I guess it does. I mean, it opens pretty good. I can fit, to be honest, I can fit quite a bit of stuff in there. So, too bad it didn't have a little of like a little elastic or something in the side edge here, so that you did have something a little oversized. You could, it gives some leeway to. So it looks like, I guess once you get them all spread out, they're probably about 4 inches wide. This is nice. So yeah, this is like some PVC plastic on there. It's gonna be, I mean, it's super durable. This is about as durable as canvas can get without being waterproof. That's it. Yeah, they're pretty easy. They just lay across they're gonna lay across the seat. I'll do a full like time-lapse video or something, mounting them up to the bike to see how they fit. But I like them actually. Yeah, they just lay over the seat. They come with a system like, oh yeah, they come with these hooks on the back like this. That hook up underneath the fender, lock it in place and pull it tight. And then you got straps down the front side over here that you'll pull down to your frame or a foot peg. So I like them for $100. Can't beat it. I'm just gonna walk over here and drop them on the seat for a second, see how they look. So yeah, they will go basically something like this. You gotta do, you gotta adjust the, have to adjust all the straps and everything. But that's basically how it'll go. You just lay over the seat. They match the contour of the bike pretty good. I will say that of the fender, the number plates. Oh yeah, that's gonna work perfectly. So yeah, the straps, the front straps will just come down here and attach to the frame. These clip, like I said, they clip kind of underneath the fender like this to hold it in place, and you cinch it up on both sides. But I like it because it's got other D-rings here, so I can put my top bag on there, strap things down with those D-rings there. Yeah, I like them. All right, well, I'm about to put these on the bag, like for real, on the bike, and I'll be back. Thanks for watching. There they are. I got the new Tusk Traverse pannier bags on the KTM 500 now. They're pretty nice, or actually they're really nice. They mount up good. They're not in the way. They go on the bike. They don't stick out on the sides at all, much. Yeah, I like them.